Aloha. My name is Ryan K. Hugh, and I'm an attorney with Hugh and Bordenave, a law firm based in Honolulu, providing business, litigation, and personal injury services. In my personal practice area, I assist small and medium-sized business owners with their transactions. Today's Draw the Law video is going to be about business law. I developed the Draw the Law concept idea to assist business owners understand abstract legal concepts and basic business law terms. I hope you find today's video helpful. So what are we talking about today? What are the different types of business structures? Great, that's usually the first question a lot of people ask when they're deciding to launch their business, or what are the different types of business structures that an attorney can either assist them with or explain. So one of the easiest structures and the simplest is the sole proprietor. So the sole proprietor is an individual just carrying on business. I usually like to use the example of a lemonade stand. If one individual goes out and starts selling lemonade, they're a sole proprietor. So what's the next thing down? The next thing down would be partnerships. That is when two or more persons get together and carry on for business and selling services. So using my lemonade stand, if two persons got together and started selling lemonade, they would be in a partnership. So what follows that? Well, we have the LLC and the corporation. So the reason why I use different shapes to talk about LLCs and corporations as business entities and business structures is that they are entities separate from the owners of the business. In LLCs, if you have individuals that come together to form the LLC, they're called members. And the circle, being the LLC, is separate from the individuals who join together to form the LLC. In the case of corporations, instead of members, what we have are called shareholders. And again, very similarly, the shareholders come together and form the corporation. So the biggest key critical difference that I want to show here is that above the line with sole proprietor and partnerships, there's really very little formality. The reason being is for LLCs and corporations, why there is some formality, and in LLCs, there are little less than corporations, is you have to, before you form the LLC or the corporation, is file something called articles. In other states, they say certificates. Basically, the idea is those people that I showed in the other paper come in together. They need to take this and file it with the government to form the LLC or the corporation, depending on what entity structure that they want. And that's the basics of the different types of business entities. In future videos, I will go over asset protection, limited liability, taxes, and contract law related to this. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. Please check back in the future for new Draw the Law videos. Mahalo.